So Horse Plus Humane Society is going to go protest the Big Lick today. They're also going to be live streaming it. So look out for Horse Plus Humane Society live stream. And if you do not know what the Big Lick is, please feel free to go watch my YouTube video on that, because it's horrific. These horses are being tortured and they don't choose to be that, but it's so sad. So go support Horse Plus Humane Society, and please go watch my video on the Big Lick. In simple words, to sum up what Big Lick is, Big Lick is a group of people that in Tennessee and some surrounding states that have chosen to torture some horses. The horses are called Tennessee walking horses, and they put really big stacks and chains on the horse, and they store the horse's feet so they're sore, so that when they lift up their leg, it hits the chain, and it's so painful that they lift up their legs higher, so it gives an artificial gait. And so, yeah, I do not support this, so please go watch my video to educate yourself, because this is awful.